Okay, so today we are going to be talking about the Crypto-Quebec Trend Index. It's quite an amazing indicator that I am giving completely free to the people who join my team, really. So you can see it right here, myself explaining it. So you just add, my team here in French or my team here in English. We have about 70,000 people. I give away completely for free. Obviously hints about what's happening on the market, and also, I'm going to give you also for free the indicator that we're going to be examining today. Thanks to everyone, I'm going to be giving it away totally free. So all the details, as you can see, are going to be right down there in the description. So how exactly does the Crypto-Quebec AI indicator work? And I'm going to bring it up here. I'm going to take a look at it. In fact, this particular indicator is fundamentally based on three things. You see, you wouldn't actually find this indicator somewhere out there. I actually created, I have developed it myself, and I'm giving it away to you totally for free. So I'm going to do this right here to fully explain it to you. In fact, the indicator is completely and utterly based on three elements. It is based on the RSI, which represents the price action, the stock RSI, which of course is also the price, and the momentum, which is represented as the MACD. The three indicators combined, when you put them all together, they jointly give us what we call the Crypto-Quebec AI Index. All right? Now, if you are doing spot or small leverage trading, I am right now looking at the TAO on the daily timeline. The TAO was very popular just over there, just last week as a matter of fact. And as we can clearly see, it gave us the go-ahead. The go essentially means the start of the trend, right here. The actual start really comes about because of a divergence right here. So this right here is the momentum and the price point, all combined together, of course. When it becomes red, it is a signal that is meant to tell. It is extremely easy to determine. It is not that hard at all to find out. All we totally need to do is to accurately pull the fib, taking the impulse that we currently have right here and actually bring that right here all the way up to the highest point. So the official target for the TAO is $232, and that is precisely exactly what I shared just recently right here in my official free group in English or even in French, obviously depending on just exactly what you personally prefer. And I have already shared that. It's already in here. In my free group also in French, totally if you would be interested in joining us, you can find us here, really. Now, what makes it a good spot? That's surely a good spot to bounce up, because if you look back in the solid past, and you will look at exactly the same type of impulse, when we proceeded to accomplish 541, you take whatever fib you want, the very lowest possible spot, the very highest possible spot, and whereabouts might that truly wind up being a very good point? And that's going to possibly last. It's totally the same from all the way back here. It's likely going to last nearly a month, something like 25, possibly 24 days. So it is going to definitely be exactly the same overall concept. We totally go on up. We are surely rapidly descending. We are going to be encountering what's called golden assault between 232 and 24. And obviously that is likely to wind up making a type of range, just like that, over something like 25 days. And the potential gain would be fairly significant. 48%, give or take everyone. Now, that is truly precisely what I am actually envisioning for the TAO, but this is truly precisely what I am also personally envisioning for the Crypto-Quebec AI Trend Index. I have already explained to you how it genuinely functions. It's fairly easy. If you're starting to trade basically any asset, it's very easy. You just simply purchase the BUT, you just go into the range. But even before you buy the BUT, you absolutely must be sure that the divergence actually happens. And you are right here in the BUT. There simply was no divergence at all. So naturally, no trade happens. And there are a huge amount of assets that you can trade with. You can see, if you have enjoyed joining our team, you are welcome to be given the miracles every day. Now, you see them right here, over across to the right. One can trade the precious metals, the commodities, like natural gas and crude oil, the overall stock market. And you see people trading in the overall stock market and also the crypto. So that's likely reason enough for you to choose to join.